Okay, in preparation for our November 2016 parent-teacher conferences, I wanted to show you how to sign up for volunteerspot.com, or they now call it signup.com, where you can schedule your own parent-teacher conferences with the parents specific to your class. I'm assuming that you do not have a username and password, so what you want to do first is register. I was given permission by Mrs. Jasinski to utilize her name and email address. So I'll ask you for your first name, your last name, your email at gmsd.org, and then a password, and I will just put in secretary as the password and hit start planning. Okay, it says thanks for joining us, ready to start planning. Click that on your dashboard to begin. Not an organizer. Find your sign up here. So let's click start planning. Okay, it says in here that obviously we have no upcoming signups, no group pages, no invitations, or no reports, because we're just starting. So what you want to do is, as the previous screen directed us, is to create new sign up. Okay, it goes in and looking for some details about your sign up that you're requiring. Sign up kind, single or multiple days, because we have 2 days of conference. Category, I would put it under class school sign up. Your name, I'll put down Debbie Jasinski. The welcome message, greetings, this is Mrs. Jasinski. And you could put anything in there, obviously. The location, where are we? Kumru Elementary School. And you would put your room number, but we could put main office. Okay. Allow participants, that would be the parents, to share their invitations with others. I would say no. Allow participants to see who else has signed up or commented. I would say no. Allow participants to swap spots. I would say no. I would keep that in your realm of what you can and cannot do. I wouldn't allow the participants to switch spots on their own. Unless you're comfortable and you want to do that, then that is fine. Next thing it's saying is we're affiliated with a school. Yes, it's a U.S. school. It put our zip code in. No, that's the Blandon zip code. 607, that's my zip code. So 1 mile, school name, we could start, there it is. If you start typing, it comes up Kumru Elementary School, select Kumru. Organizer information, you have the organizer information, secretary, organizer phone number, 484 775, I'm sorry, I'm doing a different one. Please bear with me, 610-775-5081. And what information do you want for participants? We want the parent name, we want the parent email address, we want the parent phone number. Do we want another field? Yes, we want the child's name. So, student's name, and then what we'll do is we'll hit next. Okay, and that then takes us to the calendar, where we're getting ready to develop our slots, our time slots. So we would want to go to November, and I do believe I was right here. Yes, the 21st and the 22nd. So let's go to the 21st. Okay, and you would like a person to do or attend, and I would put down parent teacher conference. Okay, and from, I do believe we go from 1:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 1:30 is when the conferences start, 9 is when the conferences end. So I'm going to do the conferences in 30-minute increments. So that's the time span for the conferences on the 21st. Now, what you want to do is you want to add shifts, okay? Meaning that you're going to have more than one potential sign up for the 1:30 to 9 p.m. session. So you'd like one person to do or attend parent-teacher conferences. For this, I would like shifts from 1:30 to 9 p.m. that are 7 hours and 30 minutes long. You don't want 7 hours and 30 minutes. You want 0 hours, 30 minutes long with 1 hour or blank break. So say, for example, you wanted to do, let's do that just to see. Let's do 25 minutes long with 5-minute breaks in between. Okay. And you could see there that the computer automatically puts in that you have 15 spots up until 9 o'clock from 1:30, and it affords a 5-minute break between. Okay. So you want to apply. Okay. Now, you added the spots. It gives you a chance to put extra details. It says you're adding 15 spots on one day. Okay. Save. Alright, and now you could see that when you click on November 21st, you will have 15 potential spots for your parents to sign up for. Now, you might say, oh, will we get an hour of lunch on that day, or a half an hour of lunch? What you want to do is you want to go to, say you want to eat lunch at 5 o'clock. Well, yeah, 5 o'clock. Okay, you want to delete that time period. Are you sure you want to delete the spot? Yeah, delete that spot. So now you see that the 5 o'clock spot is not in there. If it's an hour, forgive me, I forget if it's a half an hour or an hour for dinner. You want to delete, we'll say it's an hour. We'll delete the next spot. You delete. And you could see that then parents cannot sign up from anything from 4:55 to 6 p.m. So that would be your dinner time slot. Okay. Now we go back to the calendar. You'll see that you have 13 spots for parents to sign up for on the 21st, and you just took out 2 for your dinner. So we want to do the same thing for the 22nd. Okay. So we click on the 22nd. Parent-teacher conference. We're going from 1:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, and then we want to add shifts. And once again, if we want to do the same thing as we did before, 25-minute shifts or 25-minute conferences with 5-minute breaks in between. The computer automatically generates those spots for the 22nd. You want to apply. Okay, go down once again. You could add extra details if you want. We won't do that this time. You save, and then you could see that it opens up once again the slots. Say you want to eat dinner the same time, so you want to get rid of once again the 5 o'clock slot, and you want to get rid of the 5:30 slot. Okay, so you could see once again that from 4:55 to 6 p.m. parents will not be able to sign up for that spot. Okay, so you have 2, the 21st and the 22nd, 13 spots each. Okay, you can go to next, and it gives you a chance to choose a theme, just to spruce it up a little bit if you want. Since I'm not going to keep this, I'm not going to do that. It allows you to preview. Say, for example, if you like this one, you preview, it'll show you what it's going to look like. Okay, that's what it's going to look like for your parents to be able to sign up for spots. Okay, takes us back to here. We don't want any of those. Go down to the bottom of the page, and there should be next. We'll go to the next spot. Now, your sign up is now planned. You have 13 on the 21st slots and 13 on the 22nd. Invite others and preview below. All right. You could do a couple things. Okay, I've never posted on social media. I've never used add a button. I've used create a link, where I sent an email to all of my parents with the link to directly get to the sign up, or I also send email invites for parents to get to the sign up. So let's just say we hit this one. Okay, from Debbie Jasinski. And then what you want to do is you just want to copy and paste all of your parent emails. If you need parent emails and you cannot access them through InfoSnap or Power Teacher, just let us know and we'll get you those signups. So you'll type in all the contacts. This is the message that will go out to your parents. Okay, once again, you could use the link if you want to use the link, and then you click send invitations, and each one of your parents will get an invitation with instructions on how to sign up for the conferences on the 21st and 22nd. Okay, I will definitely have another session or a time or multiple times where you could come in and I could help you get this set up. But for now, I would appreciate it if you can at least go back to where we were at signup.com and at least try this so that you can get ahead of the game when you have an opportunity, so that come whenever you want to at the beginning of the school year, you could put this out whenever for parents to get started on signing up for conferences. I just wanted to give you a little idea of what to do prior to, obviously being open to you coming up and me assisting you with it. So give it a shot. I'll check it out after you're done. If things are okay, then you won't have anything else to do prior to the conferences other than just check and see from time to time who signed up and what time slots they signed up for. All right. Thank you very much.